Hey future scientists, I did a quick science experiment during our family vacation. While the kids were playing, I scooped some water from the beach. But how can I separate the water from the sand? I use filter paper and a rubber band. The filter paper catches the sand but allows the water to pass. This water is kind of cloudy. Let's see if I can get it any clearer. This time, I layered many paper towels together and used them as a filter. Doing this creates multiple layers the water must pass by. So the water should get clearer. Let's see. It worked! The water is less cloudy. But why is there less water in this experiment than the first? Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.